Space tourism. Space tourism, an industry once relegated to the annals of science fiction, has transitioned into a tangible reality, igniting the imaginations and ambitions of individuals across the globe. This emergent sector stands at the confluence of technological innovation, commercial enterprise, and human curiosity, offering a novel avenue for exploring the final frontier. This video delves into the origins, current developments, ethical considerations, and potential future trajectories of space tourism, aiming to provide a comprehensive overview for those vested in this avant-garde pursuit. The inception of space tourism can be traced back to the latter part of the 20th century, rooted in the advancements of governmental space agencies, notably NASA and the Soviet space program. However, the astronomical costs and technological exigencies confined space exploration to state-sponsored endeavours. The paradigm began to shift with the advent of private aerospace firms, spearheaded by visionaries who envisaged space not merely as a domain for scientific inquiry, but also as a frontier for civilian exploration and leisure. The turn of the millennium witnessed the genesis of commercial space tourism, marked by the historic flight of Dennis Tito, an American businessman, who in 2001 became the inaugural private citizen to journey to space. This expedition, facilitated by the Russian Space Agency aboard the International Space Station, ISS, paved the way for a nascent industry, democratizing access to space, albeit initially for the exceedingly wealthy. Subsequent years have seen a proliferation of private companies venturing into this domain, including SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic, each vying to reduce costs and enhance safety, with the ultimate goal of making space travel more accessible to the general populace. The current landscape of space tourism is characterized by a variety of offerings, from suborbital flights providing brief moments of weightlessness to orbital expeditions enabling longer stays in space. These experiences, while still exorbitant, provide civilians with unprecedented opportunities to gaze upon Earth from a vantage point hitherto reserved for astronauts. The allure of witnessing the curvature of our planet enveloped in the ethereal beauty of the cosmos continues to fuel public interest and investment in space tourism. However, this burgeoning industry is not without its ethical quandaries and environmental implications. Critics argue that the substantial resources expended on space tourism could be more judiciously allocated to address pressing terrestrial issues, such as poverty, climate change, and global health crises. Moreover, the environmental footprint of space launches, including the emission of greenhouse gases and the accumulation of space debris, poses significant challenges, necessitating stringent regulations and sustainable practices. The future of space tourism hinges on technological advancements, regulatory frameworks, and public perception. As the industry evolves, it is anticipated that costs will decline, rendering space travel more accessible to a broader demographic. This democratization of space tourism holds the potential to foster a new era of global cooperation and understanding, transcending terrestrial borders and cultural differences. Furthermore, the extension of tourism beyond Earth's orbit, encompassing lunar bases and perhaps even Martian expeditions, looms on the horizon, promising to redefine humanity's relationship with the cosmos. In conclusion, space tourism encapsulates the human spirit of exploration and discovery, offering a unique perspective on our place in the universe. While the path forward is fraught with challenges, both technical and ethical, the potential rewards are immense. As we stand on the cusp of this new era, it behooves us to approach space tourism with a sense of responsibility, ensuring that it contributes to the betterment of mankind, fosters international collaboration, and preserves the celestial environment for future generations. In the words of Carl Sagan, the Earth is a very small stage in a vast cosmic arena. Through the lens of space tourism, we are afforded a glimpse of the grandeur beyond, prompting us to reflect on our stewardship of the tiny orb we call home.